Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Oppo's smartphone Oppo Reno4 Pro. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode, GSM, SSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 128GB with 8GB of RAM, 256GB with 8GB of RAM, and it's come with a micro SD card dedicated slot. The phone is coming in two colors, and the two colors are Starry Night and Silky White. And USB has micro USB 2.0, Type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen 16 million colors. Display size is 6.5 inches and 88.3% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.31 into 2.88 into 0.3 inches and weight of the phone 161 gram. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Qualcomm SM7125 Snapdragon 720G, and the CPU is getting octa-core 2 into 2.3 GHz Cairo 465 gold and 6 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 465 silver. You can get the sensor in the phone or fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, proximity, compass, gyro, and the battery is lithium polymer 4000 mAh non-removable with capacity of fast charging 65 watt. As always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound with 3.5mm jack. You get the main camera quad, 48 megapixel flash 1.7 wide. Another has 8 megapixel flash 2.2 ultra wide, and another one 2 megapixel flash 2.4 macro, and another one 2 megapixel flash 2.4 depth. Video type facility at a maximum of 4K 30 frame rate per second, and get a selfie camera single 32 megapixel with flash 2.4. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Oppo Reno4 Pro model. Those who like to use medium range smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Oppo can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay safety, stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.